Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Thursday, 28 March. We're sponsored by Signify. Connected lighting in no time, anytime. Here are the stories making news. Yesterday, we released our latest C-Suite series interview with Cooper Lighting's Lance Bennett. You can watch it at Edison Report. He talks a lot about the Printalux product, which I find fascinating. The 2024 Light and Justice Symposium will take place on 5 April in New York and online. The event will explore the significance of quality indoor lighting, particularly for marginalized groups, through panel discussions and case studies. London studio Random International presents Living Room, a walk-in artwork blending LiDAR, LED, fog, and sound, creating a sentient space activated by visitor presence. Read the full article at designinglightingglobal.com. Henrik Williamson Law Firm reports continued growth, particularly in assisting clients with Signify-enabled LED patent licensing agreements. Details at edisonreport.com. And Radulescu LLP will host a webinar on 2 May to discuss LED industry patent issues. Topics will include recent litigation trends, updates on licensing programs, and insights into non-practicing entities. U.S. Architectural Lighting introduces the Axum series, offering contemporary columns and bollards with exceptional lighting for outdoor spaces. I saw this at Leducation last week. The heights range from 3 to 16 feet. Learn more at designinglighting.com. And a great day for the markets yesterday. The Dow was up 478, NASDAQ was up 84. But in spite of that, Acuity lost a quarter. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.